Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Lock Junkie here. Thank you so much for joining me. In front of me, I have this cool little Corbin steel padlock. I'm thinking it's about, what, 50 millimeters. It came to me without a key. I purchased this from Spp'd. I just thought it was a neat little padlock, and it's a Corbin, and I don't have a Corbin padlock yet. So, yeah. Thought I'd share that with you guys. I haven't picked it yet. I'm definitely curious to see what it takes to get into this thing. That'll work. So I'm going to use bottom of the keyway tension, 30,000 Z-bar, and I'm going to use this long reach from my good friend Rob Lawn. Awesome. Okay. Whoa. That was a sticky bastard. But nonetheless, we got it open, guys. Look at that. That's all I got for you guys. I appreciate that. Cool little lock from my buddy Spp'd. Really appreciate that. And you know, I appreciate you guys tuning in. As always, I gotta ask you though, like, subscribe, share, comment. Till next time. Catch you later, guys. Thank you so much.